In front of me is DOOGEE S98, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select about phone, and now here you've got build number. You have to tap on it 7 times, then draw your unlock pattern, and that's it. As you can see, from now on you are a developer. Let's go back. Now enter system, and here you will notice developer options, and you can smoothly use all of them. To activate any of the features, just use the switchers, and this is it. And when you wish to lock developer options again, just unmark this top icon and it is no longer active. If you wish to use it again, you will have to perform the same action, so this trick with 7 taps on build number. And that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.